This is not your average cooler. A friend of us in Arlington sold this unit to us a few days ago. This is a phase change unit. It's essentially a refrigeration unit that's able to retain a steady temperature of -40 centigrade. This is a really nice, clean unit, and people have manufactured these over time. There have been kind of this long legacy of these kinds of units. And this again is really just to show how we can get scaling as we move up. The frequency we're running at here is kind of a max frequency. So we would not be able to run a real high load at this particular frequency with this particular chip, which we've already abused to some extent. So we're running at a little over 5.8 gigahertz. And does someone want to read off the voltage that we're running here?
1.632.
1.632, and you want to read off the frequency too?
5894.
5894. So almost 5.9 gigahertz. And this is kind of an idle stable. If we wanted to run a performance test, we'd crank it down a little bit. The only thing we've got to really worry about with this kind of solution is it does consume some power for the refrigeration unit. It's condensation. So the reason people don't have PCs running at these temperatures all the time is because, you know, the atmosphere has liquid in it, and if you create a large temperature differential, water will accumulate, and indeed the board will get water on it. So to do this, we coat the board with what's called conformal coating, which is similar to what you would already have on a motherboard, but we kind of put a full layer on so everything's covered up. And we're able to run like this all day long. So we'll get a little bit of condensation, but we get some air running across it. We use conformal, we're able to run it. This is, again, just to see the amazing scaling that we're getting. Even just at -40, we're able to run close to 6 gigahertz.